how to copy Instagram captions. Firstly, you need to scroll down into your feed system section, and when you find out a caption which is interested for you, for example this one, you need to tap on it and try to copy that setup selection. As you can see, if I tap and hold on it, it doesn't change nothing on that question. This is why you're gonna get back from here and go to that three dots which is on that post selection, and simply you're gonna get the link session. Just go link, and the link has been copied. Now go to your browser, and when you get right there, simply you're gonna paste that link right there, because it will take you to the main point right there. And from there, just go new tab, go on the three dots on your right upper side, go desktop site, and as you go right there, here you'll need to go paste and then go, and it will take you right here. And from now on, guys, as you zoom in into that file selection, you can simply see right here that caption, and if you tap and hold on it, you can simply copy that caption. Just go select and just go copy, and right now, guys, we have done it.